We hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, we did. It's all because of you. I'm Mario.
I'm Nate.
And today we're talking about the iWũ.
iWũ?
So Nate, what's cool about this device?
So the coolest thing about the device is this little shield that it has over it, which is kind of like, it reminds me of like sport.
Well, it's really dope because it like kind of looks fancy and it helps keep the pod in place. Which, if you know me, you know that when I drop my pods, you know the pods always fly out and then I'm pissed off. And with this, I don't have to worry about it.
Yeah,
it's pretty cool.
Plus, it adds some protection to it. It's a full metal jacket to this thing. FMJ up
just
on
like the movie. Yeah, no.
Yeah, or a bullet, you know.
So let's talk about the pods about this device. They kind of suck.
Yeah, they kind of do. The day we got it,
yeah,
the pod burnt out. My first hit on this device was a burnt hit, and I was like, this kind of sucks.
Yeah, no, we try to be practical with it. You know, maybe every vape, you know, sometimes the coils are a little lame.
Yeah.
Put in a fresh one. This one's no better.
A little bit. I think it was clean for like a day.
Yeah, okay. So we got an extra day out of it.
I mean, we're the fucking vape boys, so we do put them through the rigors whenever we get them. For a normal person, it might have lasted like a couple more days.
Like the Novo pods last. The Vupu Panda pods last. This does not last. So what is this thing's claim to fame? Why would you be interested in it? In my opinion, it's that. It's the clip. The clip is pretty sweet. It looks cool. It's got moving parts. And it's kind of like you can fidget with it.
You can do the little like Zippo lighter deal when you're flipping the shit, you know? You're just flipping the shit, and you flip the shit.
I mean, and I do find myself doing that a lot. When I have it like in my hand, I'll just be...
Maybe if you're trying to quit smoking and vaping in general, that could be a little thing to like replace the whole... Although you might want it in your hand more often. I don't know.
And then you'll be hitting it, and then you'll just be like, might as well buy some cigarettes. Yeah. So that's really what this vape is for. It's for the person. It looks cool. You know, it's for someone who likes something that looks nice.
And, you know, durability for a device. I mean, if you're down to buy new pods more often than usual because your actual devices go breaking because you drop them all the time, I'd say this is a good option for you. You know?
And you have the added benefit of security. It's got metal on it. And I don't know, vape, that's kind of nice. And ultra portable. Yeah.
And, you know, I got to say, like, otherwise it's pretty average. It's a plastic device underneath, so it's normal there. Normal size battery, normal size pods, 2 milliliters. And the hit is, as I said in the C601 video, it's a little bit less than good.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's not even normal though. It's a hit.
When you hit that right after you hit a Smock Novo, you die a little bit inside.
I mean, yeah, the flavor less than average. The vapor less than average, and the buzz, I wouldn't say you even get one. So maybe, hey, you know what? If you like something that doesn't hit too hard and just kind of is a nice little relaxing vape.
If you're a girl,
you just want to click it and fucking rip it. It's pretty good.
Yeah. If you've been throwing around your Juul bit and breaking Juuls, buying new Juuls and dropping $50 per Juul, then you got an issue, and you can come along and buy this thing, and you're going to save a lot of money.
Yeah, and it's pretty cheap, too. It's like $17, which is good. Link's in the description if you want to go check it out. That's really all there is to say about this device. Yeah. It's average. What it's got going for it is it looks really cool.
It's got a nice little metal fucking shield, so you can take it into combat with you. It's a great work vape. That's something that it's great for. You know, you're landscaping or something like that. Take that shit to work, you never have to worry about it breaking.
Yeah.
Like if you get a flying rock or like you take it to the kitchen, you drop it on the floor, you get greasy or something, like it's just gonna wipe off. You're not gonna have any issues with projectiles destroying your vape ever.
Yes, if that's a serious problem for you, iWũ.
Yeah. And if you're looking for like a small little shield, you know, just to protect yourself in case somebody throws a paper clip or something.
That about wraps it up for our review on the iWũ. Thanks for watching, guys.
We appreciate every single one of you guys. We hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, we did. It's all because of you. Thank you so much.
Love you guys. we got some more big videos planned for the future.
And stay tuned for a Best Pod video on October 1st.
And you know what that means.
What does it mean, Nate?
You guys are probably going to get some free vapes.
That's what that means. Yo, thanks for watching. We love you all. And until next time, guys, peace out.